Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC08. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC08 is emitting a funny smell and losing suction, it could be due to a clogged filter or a failing motor. This can lead to reduced performance and, if left unchecked, could cause permanent damage to your vacuum. It's essential to address these issues promptly to keep your device functioning properly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and new filters. To begin, ensure your vacuum is unplugged for safety. Start by removing the dust canister and any attachments. Next, locate the screws that hold the top cover in place. These are usually found on the back and sides. Carefully unscrew them, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover off. Inside, you will find the motor and filters. The funny smell often originates from a burnt-out motor. To confirm this, check for any signs of damage or a burnt smell coming from the motor itself. If you find the motor is indeed the culprit, you will need to disconnect the cables attached to it. Be sure to take note of where each cable connects, as you'll need to reconnect them later. Once the cables are disconnected, carefully unscrew the motor from its housing. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry away any stuck components, being cautious not to damage any nearby parts. After the old motor is removed, take your new motor and secure it in place, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are firmly attached to the correct terminals. Next, replace the filters, simply slot in the new ones where the old filters were located. Now it's time to reassemble your vacuum. Carefully replace the top cover and screw it back into place. Make sure all screws are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening as this could crack the plastic. Finally, reattach the dust canister and any other components you removed. Before plugging in your Dyson DC08, check that everything is secure and properly fitted. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you clean the filters regularly and avoid vacuuming up large debris that could damage the motor. Keeping your Dyson DC08 well maintained will help prolong its lifespan and maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.